the top 5 best food dehydrator recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. COSORI Food Dehydrator for Jerky. The one-touch digital control panel lets you set temperatures from 95 to 165 degF and a timer for up to 48 hours. The dehydrator space can be cleaned with a damp cloth or a sponge. The 5 trays can be placed in the top rack of the dishwasher to make cleanup easier. Remember to remove the trays before the drying cycle begins. With noise levels less than 47 dB, the dehydrator doesn't add any unwanted noise to your kitchen, and it won't disturb you while it's dehydrating food overnight. Recommendation number 2. Hamilton Beach 32100, a digital food dehydrator. The Hamilton Beach Food Dehydrator helps accomplish these goals by taking food preparation to the next level. It opens the door to endless possibilities deemed too difficult to do in the past. With 5 stackable drying trays and 500 watts of power, it's easy to dry a variety of fruits and vegetables and even make beef jerky. The continuous airflow feature provides even drying, eliminating the need to rotate trays. This dehydrator includes an adjustable thermometer for better performance and a timer with automatic shutoff. Recommendation number 3. Food Dehydrator, ELECHOMES Upgraded 6-Tray Dryer. The ELECHOMES Food Dehydrator machine is perfect for food storage like beef jerky, fruits, vegetables, dry backpacking food for outdoor hikers. Make non-addition fruit rolls for your kids easily with a bonus fruit roll sheet. Search for UH401 to get more accessories. ELECHOMES Food Dryer comes with 6 stackable BPA-free trays. Each layer has 2 adjustable heights to ensure that you can make a variety of dried food at once. Diameter 200 16/10.2 inch. Max height 27/1.0 inch. Recommendation number 4. Magic Mill Food Dehydrator Machine. The electric dehydration machine is equipped with a rear-mounted drying fan and airflow circulation technology to promote even drying. There is no need to rotate the shelves as needed by other brands. Monitor the dryer process easily with the transparent door window. An adjustable temperature and timer ensure you to have your delicious dehydrated food done to perfect at optimal temperature and exact timing. The countdown timer will show you when it will be done. Once done, it will automatic shut off. Recommendation number 5. EXCALIBUR Food Dehydrator 9-Tray Electric. Dehydration is the healthiest, easiest, and most economical way to preserve foods. Load the trays and set the temperature. The EXCALIBUR dries the contents of all trays evenly so everything's done at once. Dehydration concentrates the natural flavor, sweetness, and aromas of your food, leaving you with a flavor that's far healthier than high-fat snacks and high-sugar candies that are filled with chemical preservatives. The EXCALIBUR 9-Tray Large Dehydrator provides 15 square feet of drying space, making this the biggest and best there is. Ideal for large families, large gardens,